sales. We're out driving our 72 Chevy Blazer today. A little bit of wind noise, and you can't say much you can do. These windows just don't adjust much in these. Pretty windy today. We got about a 35 mile an hour wind, but still goes down the road nice. Not a big pull, no pull to it or anyway, so good driving vehicle. The guy I got it from was driving it, and we kind of bought it and finished it, so just a good looking Blazer, and runs and drives out really good. Speedometer's off a little bit. We're probably going 55. Show you the brakes here. Brakes work good. They're power disc. So nice Blazer. Sorry, not a Bronco. That'd be a swear word if you're a GM guy. And we'll show you back up. So you got any questions on it? Give me a call. 605-695-7391.